Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm so sorry for not appearing on the camera today because I'm working with my mobile data due to some issues with the internet here, and Aditya is down with viral for so many days, and that's the reason he is not coming on YouTube. Before starting, hit the like button. All of you guys who have heard my yesterday's analysis wherein I had said if at all we open with a big gap down, we might see some because there are lots of supports in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So tomorrow we have Nifty expiry. So first let's cover Nifty. What we can see, we can again see that Nifty again made a move up till 500. So from here, if we can see 1, 2, almost 3, 4 and 5. So 5 times Nifty has already tested this particular level, and if you can clearly see, it's more of a cup and handle pattern. For those of you who can't see this in daily, we will just go and check it in the hourly. For those of you who can't see it in the daily, can you see this clearly? It's very evident. Can you see this cup formation, and can you see this handle formation here? The pattern looks really good. All we need is just one particular candle closing above 22,530. At least an hourly clear closing we need above this level for this entire cup and handle to play out. And for those of you who want to know how to calculate targets, just capture this one. This is a 800 point cup, so we are going to plot the same 800 point upwards from here. Whatever the target comes out to be, it would be somewhere around 23,400. So that will be the target once we get the breakout and the confirmation. So remember, we will wait for the breakout and the confirmation, and only about that we are going to take the trades. Now let's get to 15 minutes. So I had posted this chart yesterday itself, and I had written 22,320 and 22,345 is a good support. Just guess today's low, and I'll mark it for those of you who can't read it out, who want me to read it out. This was the low. It is 22,346. We were very clear right from the beginning because we knew that there were so many supports out there. Even if market is going to open with a gap down, we were expecting market to take some support. It opened with a massive gap down and it went all the way down. But if you guys have plotted this particular channel in your charts as well, this channel was never breached, and it exactly took the support of this channel. And since this channel breakout was already valid, and this was just because of the gap down opening, we came here, but it never broke this particular channel. And remember, falling channel breakouts are much powerful, and it again gave a breakout. And yesterday itself I was saying this particular channel's target works out to be 22,500, and it did achieve 22,500 today. Now what happened in the meanwhile, it actually made this particular flag pattern sort of a thing. It didn't achieve its entire target. The main reason because this resistance it is still respecting. In US today, Jerome Powell is going to speak tonight around 9:40 p.m. as per Indian time, and maybe that is going to decide the next move in case of Nifty. Now I want you guys to look into Dow Jones chart. For those of you who haven't watched my support and resistance video, the homework is you have to first go and watch the support and resistance video, and you guys tell me why I'm expecting up move in case of Dow Jones. Go and check the daily chart and you will come to know. So this is the chart of daily chart of Dow Jones, and I am expecting some sort of an up move in case of Dow Jones. Now I really don't know what Mr. Powell is going to speak today, but I am purely betting it on the price action, and I'm not expecting yesterday's low to be taken out today. So for those of you who have watched our support resistance video, please do comment basis what I'm saying this particular line, that I'm expecting some sort of a reversal in case of Dow Jones. Let's come back to Nifty. Now today I'm going to take this off of resistance because this level has been tested several times, and this is no more a resistance, no more a valid resistance for me now. Why? Because it's been tested 5 times on the daily charts. Now what I'm expecting, and I have shown it to you how it's forming a cup and handle formation in daily and in hourly as well. So I am expecting market to basically take out this level tomorrow. Why? Because tomorrow is the best time to take out all the call writers, because there would be a lot of people who would have shorted 22,500 or 22,550 calls, and they would have shorted either 22,250 or 22,300 350 puts. So market is definitely going to take one particular side, and since the market overall trend is on the upside, we might expect some sort of a breakout in this particular zone. I am expecting a breakout above this particular zone, because yesterday or day before, I guess this was Monday, yeah, Monday, we mentioned that market made a intraday fresh ATH. So I'm expecting market to, like in case of Nifty, I'm expecting market to make a fresh all-time high soon. We might see it tomorrow, because tomorrow being an expiry day, it's the best time because a lot of people have heavy positions. So that is the best time, and we can also see some sort of a short covering move as well. So if you're planning directional move tomorrow, so then please look out for this level. We basically want a clean closing above 550 in case of 15 minutes. Now let's understand where we are going to open. If we open flat, then I am expecting first it might move into some sideways, and then it will take a breakout. The moment it breaks this level, I am going to go long. And for those of you who are directional players or who are option buyers, just avoid trading when the market remains within this particular zone, because again it will be very volatile. So just leave it when the market is within this zone. I am categorically saying this is only for directional traders, not for non-directional or sellers can actually sell call and put and then make use of it. If at all again we open gap down tomorrow, or gap down is even below this particular level, still there is support. So please be aware that there are so many supports here. So just don't short the market blindly. If we open with a gap up, then short covering in the opening itself. It might so happen that the market might try to come down here, but again it will try to recover immediately. So we have discussed all the three scenarios, and as I've mentioned, don't try to short the market. Coming to Bank Nifty, now you guys would be thinking why every day I'm showing this weekly charts, because I just want to drill it into your heads that this was the resistance which was being tested several times, and this is a formation of a symmetrical triangle. The moment we close above this particular symmetrical triangle or a clean breakout, which will get confirmed on a Friday, then we know we are going to play for a big targets in case of Bank Nifty. Now let's go and check the daily charts. The only thing is, just count the green candles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 green candles in a row. Does that mean markets can't do 8 green candles in a row? No, that's not the case. I'll just show you in the past how it has worked. So can you see this? Four green candles, then one mild red kind of a candle. Can you see this? This red candle is not a negative candle, because it was moving up. It opened a gap up and it never closed below this particular green candle. Now I'll show you few more examples. Again, see 1 2 3 a red candle, and 1 2 again. See this 1 2 3 4 5 6 green candles in a row, and then just a small halt or a pullback, and then again the momentum continued. This time we have 8 green candles in a row, and the significant candle being this and this. The rest of them are basically dojis. So let's wait and watch what happens. But today was a day where it actually closed at day high. So let's go and check it on 15 minutes. Coming to the 15 minutes, just like 22,500 has been tested several times, I believe this 47,600 700 levels have been tested several times. Now all we have to wait is a breakout above this particular level. Basically we want a good green candle closing above 47,700. The moment that happens, we are going to go long. Obviously there is a small resistance here, but looking at this kind of a consolidation here, I really doubt whether we are going to stop here tomorrow, and especially tomorrow, because it's a start of a new weekly series. There is not much hurdle in case of Bank Nifty, so it has that ground to move even higher. So it might so happen that we might see this level as well tomorrow itself, if we get a breakout above this particular level. As we had mentioned, since the market, the overall structure is buy on dips across all time frames, that's the reason we were very confident that even if there is a gap down, market will try to recover. And yesterday I had mentioned, if you open somewhere around this zone, then this all calls will go to 0 and this all puts will go to 0, right? And I had mentioned that triangle might then work. But the problem is, if you have initiated a triangle here, then the problem is your calls would have spiked pretty badly, and the entire day would have been gone in adjusting them. So we did see a sharp up move. Even I never expected this kind of an up move. I was expecting the up move till this level. It overshooted my target itself, because I was expecting somewhere around 500 to 600. That was the max level that I was expecting. So this pattern which we were actually tracking was pole and flag. It basically never got activated because we opened gap down, but we got another pole and flag here, and I'll show you that. So this is the pole and this is the flag, and we got a breakout. But since it was an expiry, usually on days of expiry, option sellers are dominant in terms of they try to sell both call and put, and then they try to make profit on both the sides. So we didn't see any follow through momentum after this particular candle, and because market went sideways. In fact, this candle I was expecting market to even move higher. This level has been tested several times. I'll just show you. I'll just draw that level. See, this level has been tested several times. So I was expecting at least finally it might, and here also it was trying to make another flag. Can you see this? But then it never gave a clean breakout, and then the market moved sideways. Coming to this one, this is the pole and flag that we can see, and these are the two targets. The first target is 47,745 and the second target is 47,871 of this particular thing. So tomorrow, let's see. I'm expecting market to actually hold up, and I'm expecting market to move upside, because today was very good enough if the sellers have to overpower the buyers, but sellers couldn't hold it, and buyers utilized this particular dip to enter into buy positions. So this was basically an opportunity which we were talking about since yesterday. So that's about it. If you have liked this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you have learned something, please do comment on the comment section, and I would love to read your comments, especially those of you who actually entered into long position after the gap down, and just let me know on what basis you went long and at which particular candle. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a great Nifty expiry.